Hey everyone, are you ready to unlock the power of Power BI? If you're a student, this video is going to be your ultimate guide to understanding this game-changing tool. So, let's dive in. First off, what is Power BI? Power BI is a powerful business analytics service by Microsoft. It allows you to visualize your data, share insights across your organization, and embed them in an app or website. Think of Power BI as your personal data detective, helping you uncover hidden patterns and trends in your data. Now, let's talk about its uses and benefits. In today's data-driven world, every industry relies on data to make informed decisions. Whether you're in finance, marketing, healthcare, or education, Power BI can help you analyze complex data sets and make sense of them. It turns raw data into meaningful insights, making your job easier and more efficient. One of the standout features of Power BI is its interactive dashboards. These dashboards update in real time and give you a snapshot of your business metrics at a glance. You can customize these dashboards to show exactly what you need, and you can access them on any device, anytime, anywhere. Super convenient, right? Now, what about the future opportunities with Power BI? Well, the demand for data professionals is skyrocketing. In the next 2 to 3 years, data analysis and business intelligence skills will be in even higher demand. Companies are looking for people who can not only gather data, but also interpret and present it effectively. Mastering Power BI can give you a competitive edge in the job market. Speaking of careers, let's talk packages. Entry-level data analysts can expect to start with a salary of around Rs 4-6 lakhs per year in India. With experience, this can go up to Rs 15 lakhs or more. And if you go international, those numbers can be even higher. Now, let's summarize. Power BI is a robust tool that transforms data into actionable insights. Its interactive dashboards and real-time updates make it invaluable across various industries. Learning Power BI not only boosts your analytical skills, but also opens up fantastic career opportunities. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to Goliveclasses for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.